This is my farm this year, July 31st, 2020. You have a green pepper over here. Not green pepper, it's a mix. It's a color pepper. A lot of different color pepper comes from here. Yellow, red is gonna come up. You have green, also you have green over here. Alright? And there is another one over here. You have the tomatoes. You have another one over here. Peppers here coming up. A lot of tomatoes coming up already. And I've been taking from here already. I take a lot of stuff from here. Tomatoes. I have eggplant. Grown eggplant. Eggplant over here. Alright. More eggplant over here. A lot of eggplant coming up also. Alright, that's a big one over here. See that one? Big one. Alright. Then this string beans over here. A lot of string beans coming out this year. See, it's a lot. Zucchini. I got a lot of zucchini. I got a lot of zucchini already. You know, it's small one, but already I've been eating from the zucchini so far. I got a lot of them. They have more over here. That's a baby one, small one. Alright. Another peppers over here. This is very hot pepper, very hot. Come on, eggplant, different kind of eggplant. This is a long eggplant. You see that? Eggplant, a lot of stuff coming up this year, you see? Eggplant, fig tree, that's a new fig tree. It's a new one, you have a lot of fig coming up. Alright? Cucumber, that's a cucumber. A lot of cucumber coming up over here, see that? A lot of cucumber over here. Okay, can you see over here cucumber? Full of cucumber. There's another zucchini. You have a lot of zucchini. There's another fig tree over here, but they're too small. Should come up by October, September. Lemon tree, that's lemon. Another fig tree over here. Alright, this is hot pepper. Look, this hot pepper. This hot pepper, very hot. It's very hot. String beans coming up. A lot of string beans. See that? Alright. A lot of string beans. Gotta go to other side. Gotta show you the basil. The basil plant. That's beautiful basil over here. Beautiful. You see that? See the basil? Basil. And you see the back? You have a scallion. In the back over here, that's a scallion. Right? And that's a basil. Beautiful basil. Well, this is my garden this year. Beautiful garden. I love it. Everything is good. Alright? It was worth it. I don't have to go to farm. I don't have to buy vegetable no more. Okay? Bye. It's beautiful. Okay.